Hi guys, today I'm going to share how to make turmeric powder. Stay tuned. Welcome to Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. So we're going to start by harvesting our turmeric from our garden. So after you dig it out, then you carefully remove the dirt from the turmeric, just as we are doing it in the video, because from this turmeric we're going to take what we need, and there's normally a round thing in the middle. We're going to plant this over so that we can get more turmeric. You see this round thing there? We're going to plant it again. Yeah. So I have water in this bowl. What I normally do is I soak my turmeric, and then so that the dirt can moisten and it can easily come out. Then I get my brush or knife and I just clean between the fingers. You know, there's normally dirt trapped there. You just take your time, you know, scrape what needs to be scraped out, and, you know, clean it thoroughly, you know. Make sure you rinse it over until you're satisfied that it's clean. And I'm now gonna place it on a cutting board. And what I'm going to do is cut it into small pieces with a knife. But you can use a grater. It will dry faster. Yeah, when you grate it on that big side. So we're going to cut with a knife small pieces. I'm making turmeric powder for the first time because I normally just wash it and set it fresh. But this time I just want to try some powder for my own home use. So we are done. We're going to spread it on a plate or a tray or whatever you have. So now put your plate out in the sun and allow it to dry. It can take a day or two depending on how hot your area is. Yeah, so this is our dry turmeric. It's really dry, crispy dry. Make sure it's very, very, very dry. So I have my coffee grinder, my lovely coffee grinder, to my rescue. So we're going to place the dry turmeric into the coffee grinder. And then we're going to make sure that it's ground into a fine powder. You don't want your turmeric powder coarse. Please make sure to remember to wear your gloves when handling turmeric. Trust me, it will stain your hands. We are done grinding. It's time to pour our turmeric powder into this container. Oh my, the color is amazing. To me, it's looking a little more orange. Honestly, the color is prettier than the store-bought turmeric. Yeah, so I'm really satisfied. Let's do some scraping. There's some sticking at the bottom of the coffee grinder and also in the cover. So guys, this is my lovely turmeric. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.